Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change black and white photo into color using Canva. Okay, now first of all, just go on the search bar and type here Canva. Now press enter. Go on the first website, click on it, and sign up with your account. So after signing up, go back again on Canva. So as you can see, I'm already on Canva. Now click on the left side, click on create, and here go to upload. Now click on upload file and select your preferred image from your file or file manager. Okay, so I already opened this design, so I'm gonna make this black and white image into a colorful image. Now go on the left side, click on apps. Now go on the search bar and type here image black and white image converter. Okay, press enter. Now just wait for a few seconds. Okay, now you have to download this app, Colorify. Now this, you have to download this specific app, Colorify. So just type the name on the search bar, Colorify, and download this app. After that, click on open. Okay. Now select your image like this, and after that, click on add color. Just wait for a few seconds for the result. Okay, the results are ready. You can also customize the result. For example, you can change the image color as you can see like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go and click on replace image, or you can also just click on add to design. Now as you can see the difference. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.